Good morning, my dear students. Last class we discussed about numbers, natural numbers. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Whole numbers W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Integers I or Z is equal to and so on, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Rational numbers Q is equal to like a form of P by Q. Here Q is not equal to 0. Nothing but fractions. For example, 2 by 3, comma 4 by 7, comma 9 by 7, like that will be. Same. Once again we will see in between two natural numbers. In between two natural numbers there is no number. There is no natural numbers. In between 1 and 2 or in between 2 and 3 there is no other numbers. In between 1 and 3 one number is there, that is 2, but in between 1 and 2 there is no numbers. Same. In between 0 and 1 or 1 and 2 there is no numbers. Same like that only. In between minus 3 and minus 2 there is no numbers, means there is no other integers. But see, in between any two numbers, for example 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2, here 1 is a natural number as well as whole number as well as integer as well as rational number also. Why sir these two numbers are look like natural numbers, but see here 2 means it is possible to write 2 by 1 means to look like in the form of P by Q, rational numbers. Here 1 means 1 by 1 means any number 1 comma 2, these are natural numbers as well as whole numbers as well as integers and also rational numbers. In between 1 and 2 there is no natural numbers, there is no whole numbers, there is no integers, but in between 2 these numbers infinity, so many numbers are there, rational numbers. In between 1 and 2 so many numbers are there. How many numbers means infinity numbers are there. It is not possible to find that many numbers are there. See 1 by 1 or 2 by 1. Here 1 by 1, 2 by 1 numbers are rational numbers. Here Q is not equal to 0. So look like in the form of fraction. In between 1 comma 2 so many numbers are there. That is the property of density. That is the property of density. Density property means in between two rational numbers so many numbers are possible. See one more example. Here 1 by 1 comma 2 by 1. We should multiply for both numerator and denominator. We should multiply with the same number. 1 10 ja 10, 10 by 10, comma 2 10 ja 20, 20 by 10 means we converted into like fractions. Here 10 by 10, 20 by 10, middle how many numbers are possible? 11 by 10, 12 by 10, 13 by 10, 14 by 10 up to 19 by 10. So in between 1 and 2 for us not seeing any natural numbers, whole numbers and integers, but we converted into like fractions. After that we should multiply for both numerators and denominator with the same number. We multiplied here 10 by 10. So minimum 8 to 9 numbers are coming middle. we should multiply with 100 by 100 means more than 90 numbers are possible. That's why we are saying, what we are saying means in between two numbers infinity numbers are possible. We will see one more, we will take one more example here. For example, unlike fractions, unlike rational numbers, 2 by 3 comma 4 by 5. See the denominator, in that fraction 2 by 3, 3 is a denominator. In between 4 and 4 by 5, 5 is a denominator. Here 3 comma 5, these two are not equal, maybe equal. These are like fractions or like rational numbers, these two are unequal, so these are unlike rational number. We should convert into like their LCM, these two are co-primes or relatively prime numbers. Why? Because they have one only common factor, other than one there is no common factors, so their product only their LCM for 3 comma 5, LCM of 3 comma 5 is equal to their product only 3 into 5 is equal to 3 5s are 15. So we should multiply 15 for both numerator and denominator. 2 by 3 into 15 by 15, 4 by 5 into 15 by 15, 15 2s are 30, 15 3s are 45, 15 4s are, see, like that also possible. Otherwise here possible cancellation we should do. Here possible cancellation we should do. 3 1s are 3 5s are, 3 1s are 3 5s are, 2 5s are 2 5s are 10, 15 1s are 15. Here also possible cancellation we should do. 5 1s are 5 3s are, 4 3s are 12, 12 by 15. Before 2 by 3, 4 by 5, before 2 by 3, 4 by 5, those are unlike fractions. We converted into like fractions. 10 by 15, comma 12 by 15. Before the denominators 3 comma 5, those are not equal. So what we told, these two rational numbers are unlike rational numbers. We converted, we multiplied with their LCM, then we got like rational numbers. 10 by 15, 12 by 15. After that, in between 10 by 15 comma 12 by 15 only one number is possible, that is 11 by 15. We want still more numbers. What we should do? Same what we done before example, same like that only we will multiply with the same number. 10 by 15 into 10 by 10 comma 12 by 15 into 10 by 10. Then we got, see, 10 tens are 100, 10 tens are 100 by 15 tens are 150, comma 12 tens are 120 by 15 tens are 150. See, in between 10 by 15 and 12 by 15, we have only one number, that is 11 by 15. But we multiplied for both the denominator and numerator with 10 by 10. Then we have 100 in 120 between middle, nearby 19 numbers are possible. Like that, not only 20, not only 100, not only lakhs. It is possible so many numbers. That is the property of density. This density property is possible only for rational numbers. It is not possible natural numbers and whole numbers, integers. Means what we are saying means in between two natural numbers there is no natural number. In between two whole numbers there is no whole number. In between two integers there is no integer. But in between two rational numbers, infinity numbers are possible. Now, we should find, we took one number in between 2 and 5. In between 2 and 5, it is possible to find so many numbers. First of all, we will find only one number. Find one number, find one number between 2 and 5, between 2 and 5. For finding in between 2 and 5 any one number, we have one formula. For example, 2 comma 5. For 2 we will take as a. Then a is equal to small a is equal to 2 comma b is equal to 5. Here first value should take as a and second value take as b. And see, a plus b by 2, a plus b by 2, a plus b by 2. A value already we know 2 plus b value 5 by 2. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 7 by 2. 7 by 2 is the value in between. 7 by 2 already we know this is a improper fraction. Last class also we discussed, we converted improper to mixed to improper also. See, for example, 7 by 2, do with division, always with denominator. 2 3s 6, remainder 1.0. 2 5s 10, remainder 0. Means 7 by 2 nothing but 3.5. 3.5. 3.5 is greater than 2. 3.5 is less than 5. So here possible to write, therefore 2 is less than 3.5, nothing but 7 by 2, less than 5. So here we found one number in between 2 and 5, 3.5. 3.5 nothing but 7 by 2. 7 by 2 means 3 and half. 3.5, this is more than 2 and less than 5. For finding one number or two numbers, maximum 3 numbers, we are using this formula. More than 2 numbers or more than 3 numbers, for finding this same problem we will do other method. Before we done same like that only we will do. 2 means 2 by 1, 5 means 5 by 1. Now only we told about this method also. So you multiply 2 by 1 into 20 by 20 comma 5 by 1 into 20 by 20. 2 10s are 40, 40 by 20 comma 5 2s are 5 20s are 100 by 120s are 20. In between 40 to 100 how many numbers are possible? See, 41 by 20, 42 by 20, 43 by 20. How many numbers are possible? So many numbers are possible. We want still more numbers. We will multiply here in the place of 20 by 20, 50 by 50 or 100 by 100 or 1000 by 1000. Any number is possible. We want more numbers. Then we will multiply with big number. We want only few numbers. We will multiply with small number. And so on. 99 by 20. 99 by 20. 100 by 20. In this, see, 41 by 20, 42 by 20, 43 by 20, 44 by 20 till 99 by 20. In between, these are all numbers. How many numbers we want to, it is possible to take. This is the property of density. For example, properties of 0. Properties of 0. Properties of 0. See, very important properties of 0. So many numbers, confusion getting. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 minus 0 is equal to 0 into 0 is equal to 0 divided by 0 is equal to properties of 0. 0 plus 0, 0 nothing but there is no value. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 only. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0 only. 0 into any number, 0 only. 0 divided by 0, it is an undefined value. It is an undefined value. Why? Because this is an infinity or undefined value. Once again we will see 2 plus 0, 2 plus 0, that number only. 2 plus 0. We should add 0 for any number. We should add 0 for any number. We will get same answer. Next, at the time of subtraction, 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0. 5. 5 minus 0. 0 means there is no value. Any value not there for subtraction. From the number of 5, 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. See, for example, 0 minus 5. 0 minus 5 is equal to minus 5 only. Why? Means here there is no value. Any value not there for subtraction. This value to minus 5. So, see, we got same number. We will multiply. We will multiply any number with 0. Then the answer is 0. We will multiply any number that is a single digit number or that is a 2-digit number, that is a 3-digit number, any number we should multiply with 0. Then the answer is 0. See, at the time of division, 0 by 7 is equal to or 8 by 0 is equal to, what is the difference between these two fractions or these two rational numbers? 0 by 7 means in this fraction or in this rational number, numerator is 0, denominator is 7. In this fraction, in this rational number, numerator is 8, denominator is 0. So, in a rational number, numerator is 0. Then we will get 0. In a rational number, denominator is 0. Denominator is 0. Then it is a undefined value or infinity value. It is a undefined value. That's why we are saying 0 divided by 0 means 0 by 0. It is a undefined value. Why we have a confusion? 0 by 0. 0 by 0 is a 0 or infinity. It is a undefined value. Why? Because in the fraction numerator is 0. It is a 0. Okay, we will continue next class.